Hey, welcome back, gentlemen. Can I get a check 2 3? Just took that guy down to the chopper. So you got a little cleanup action happening here. A little bit of that Alcatraz. Gee, that's 3. Where's that 4 at, huh? I heard him res. Where you at though? Where you at though? Whee! There you be, there you be. All out of white, baby. Alright, we're dropping Boney today. Get all that loot. Definitely tangles this way for sure. Quick bap there. I don't know if that second guy in there got bapped, or if he's just chilling. We're over here chilling. Moving to the next guy. It's gotta be close. I swear I seen him on the map earlier. Oh. Hey! He's mad. He just dropped in. Started the game. Gets back. Oh, who we have here? Some guy sneaking around? Where he at though? Where he at though? There he is. Whoa, what's up with my aim there? Gee! He itched my chin here. Hey, there we go. There's a guy up here. Oh, he's mad as well. Sucks to suck, you know. When you drop it in these lobbies with this guy, pshee! Better be watching out. I'll be coming out of nowhere. I'm gonna send these boys back to the lobby. Hey, where's this food? Oh, what's going on here? Oh, missed another shot. Oh, I'm bad, I guess. That's the way it goes. Hey. Alright, I guess I just send it in here. Oh, not like that. What do you do there, folks? A little ghoulie action happening. And he just got back. Easy light work there. Dropping him back in Boneyard here. See what we can gather. I know there's some more shit laying around. Pick up that bounty. Bounty as always. There's a little food. What do you be doing over there? You be hiding up in this little plane right here, like a little sus boy? How can I nade? What's that gonna do, huh? What's that gonna be doing? Yeah, you better be scared. I'm coming for you, boy. Cooking? Gotta cook it away. Oh, what you gonna do? Alright, how do I play this? Do I just... Nope, that didn't work. Hop back in. Oh, you tried sneaking around? What you be doing? What you be doing? Oh, I probably should have died there, but it is what it is, you know. Pop that loadie. Have this on the way. Bounty after bounty. You gotta keep that pace going, you know? Got no score for you have, so. Oh, who is this? Sorry, man. Got your loadie too, but like. What can I do? It's either me or you, man. Come on. Aye. Alright, who this? Who this? This guy's trying to chill up there? For what, man? Come on. For what? What are you doing up there? Alright, there's a guy trying to get me now from up here. I know I'd be in the sus spot, but like, man, chill out. Chill out, man. It's only hit you in the head quick. Like, jumping around in the open like this, just trying to cap me? Hey, what you be doing? Aw, messed up that reload a little bit. Went back to snipe him again. Oh, what a heady, baby. Sit down. Sit down, son. Yeah, we might have to go after him now. Like, does he get up and try to cook it? Like, he's got a self-res, so yeah, I think we just send it after him. Can't go too far. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is that him? Oh, who is this fella? Huh? What you be doing? Is that you? I swear that was some other dude, but oh, it could have been him. Whatever. Let's get out of here. Maybe a little quick scope, just in case that wasn't him. That had to have been him, eh? Yeah, I'll just say I was him. Man, it's scared out of here. In that next spot. Whoa, who be trying to snipe me? Hey, what you be doing? Stop that, baby. Stop that. Hey, that's what I be doing. I be stopping that. I be stopping that shit. This guy wants to fight too. Always getting capped at. Like, hey, I'm in the truck, baby. Most OP whip in the game. I'll just go park over here. Go back up, make myself a shield here. And I'll cap him. That's the strat. Go right here. Go for the cap. Where you be? Where you be? There's the cap. Oh, there's the cap, baby. What did I say? Oh, we got another cap happening. Same strat, same strat. Back up, make a little shield. Yeah, I don't really like this spot though. Might have to dip out. Might have to dip out. Kind of just be chilling here, you know? Kind of just be chilling. What? You see that guy? He booked it right into me. I swear he's gonna jump off the bridge and then he's like, oh, yoink. Ah, poor guy. Poor guy. Alright, how many are left? Six Toos, 6 tangos. And they all be hiding. All of them be hiding. Hiding where though? I don't know, I'm just not that guy that would go up there and camp at the top of one of those buildings. I mean, like, I'd rather keep my truck with me. This shit, horrible shield, you know, like. I know there's a guy up on one of these buildings for sure. So there's a bungee on the other side of that. Pretty straight up, 100 feet. But hey, maybe we'll spin around so we can see. Nothing. Nothing. Oh. Sorry, bud. Quick skirt this way. We're gonna have to hit this reload quick. Oh. Come on, hit the reload. Before we send it back in there. Like, I wish I could look higher, but oh, let's see. See, that's alright. There's one. We located one, and no one's shooting me. So like, is there really a guy on top of that building? Then I probably would have shot a little bit. Probably only paid one clip for inches. So I'll hop back instead of you. Oh, back me up. Can't believe I almost ran into that. Oh yeah, oh, just got the guy for me. There he is. There he is. Downed him? Of course he's got damn self-res up there. Would have been a dub right there, but no. Alright. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Yeah, we gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here. I just toughed that so hard. At least I know where he is now. Just jump. Down? Where you at? Where you at? There's no way I chopped this. What? Right. Hey, let's go. Bag secured. Bag secured. Damn, that took me forever to pop that one. Gee, that Mac 10 though? That Mac 10 be ripping. How many baps you get this game, fellas? Were you guys counting that shit? So that was a double digit for sure. Maybe what, like 12, 13? Hey, let's go. Skirting off. Skirting off with that dub. Let's check out these kills here. Was this video worthy? I don't know, I guess we'll find out. Hey, 14 dubs? Not bad, fellas, not bad. Alright, catch you in the next one.